A computer network or data network is a telecommunications network which allows computers to exchange data. In computer networks, networked computer devices exchange data with one another using a data link. The connections between nodes are established using either cable media or wireless media. The best known computer network is the Internet. Network computer devices that originate, route, and terminate the data are called network nodes. Nodes can include hosts such as personal computers, phones, servers, as well as networking hardware. Two such devices can be said to be networking together when one device is able to exchange information with the other device, whether or not they have a direct connection to each other. Computer networks support an enormous number of applications such as the access to the World Wide Web, video, digital audio, and shared use of applications and storage servers, printers, and fax machines, and the use of email and instant messaging applications as well as many others. In most cases, application-specific communications protocols are layered over other communication protocols. The transmission media used to link devices to form a computer network include electrical cables, radio waves, and optical fibers. The orders of the following wire technologies are rough from slowest to fastest transmission speed, and the first one is the coaxial cable. It's widely used for cable television systems, office buildings, and other work sites for local area networks. The cables consist of copper or aluminum wire surrounded by an insulated layer, which itself is surrounded by a conductive layer. The insulation helps minimize interference and distortion, and transmission speeds ranges from 200 million beats per second to more than 500 million beats per second. A twisted pair wire is the most widely used medium for all telecommunication. Twisted pair cabling consists of copper wires that are twisted in pairs. Ordinarily, telephone wires consist of two insulated copper wires twisted into pairs. Computer networking cables consist of four pairs of copper cabling that can be used for both voice and data transmission. The use of two wires together help to reduce crosstalk and electromagnetic induction. The transmission speed ranges from 2 million beats per second to 10 billion beats per second. Twisted pair coupling comes in two forms: unshielded twisted pair, or known as UTP, and shell twisted pair, as known as STP. Each form comes in several categories ratings designed for use in various scenarios. An optical fiber is a glass fiber. It carries pulses of light that represent data. Some advantages of optical fibers over metal wires are very low transmission loss and immunity from electrical interference. Optical fibers can simultaneously carry multiple wavelengths of light, which greatly increases the rate that data can be sent and helps enable data rates of up to trillions of bits per second. Optic fibers can be used for long runs of cable carrying very high data rates and are used for undersea cables to interconnect continents.